Hi guys, very warm welcome to Bodyprocoach Nutrition. I am Maahek and that is Praveen Nair. And I've got a lot of DMs asking me what is my breakfast. So today is the secret of my breakfast recipe and our all-time favorite.
Alright, so it's about we all run through a time shortage and we would love to cook something which is very short in time, something based on microwave kind of stuff that saves a lot of time and gets you in place at the same time gets you some amazing macros. We've got that recipe for you guys, which is hardly about 3 to 4 minutes roughly. And you're going to go with that macro-based pre-workout or a good day starter kind of a meal.
Yeah.
So let's go and have a look at the recipe now.
2 tablespoons almond flour, 1 tablespoon flaxseed powder, half a pinch baking powder, 1 tablespoon melted butter, 1 tablespoon Psyllium husk. I'm using from the brand Organic India. 1 small pinch cream of tartar. I'm using from the brand Urban Platter. A pizza seasoning. 1 slice Amul cheese. 1 whole egg. First, we take a microwave utensil. To that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of almond flour. Next, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of flaxseed powder, 1 tablespoon of Psyllium husk. Third, I'm going to add a pinch of baking powder. Next, I'm going to add is cream of tartar, again a pinch of it. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Last, I'm going to add 1 whole egg. And I'm going to mix it well. Now our mixture or the preparation is ready, you can see. Now we're going to put it into a microwave for a minute and a half. And our bread is done. I'm going to flip this over and show you. It's nice, simple and easy guys. As it's really warm, you're going to take support of something and slice it for me. Next, I'm going to place 1 slice cheese. Going to drizzle some garlic powder. Next, some pizza seasoning. You can also add chili flakes as per your taste. And I'm going to cover this up. Now in a pan, we're going to add half a teaspoon of desi ghee, that's clarified butter. And then I'm going to add my cheese toast. So my favorite almond cheese garlic toast is ready. This is my everyday breakfast guys, and trust me, I don't get bored even if I eat this 30 days because it's so damn tasty and so filling. You should try this.
Exactly. So guys, to get such kind of amazing recipes, you want to make sure that subscribe and hit that bell icon. That's very important. We got 7 videos in a week, which means that every time we post a video, you get an intimation and you can start improvising your lifestyle. At the same time, your recipe list. Go out there, enjoy the recipes and keep yourself really fit. All you have to do that, go to the playlist, read through all of them. We got information, recipes, workout routines, and now the recently added, I'm so excited about this one. It's called as Maahek Core Pilates. So you can do your Pilates at home on a mat. That's so simple as it is. So go out there, we got a lot of things for you guys. All you have to do that, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and please do share and thumbs up for us. Cheers. Thank you so much for the love.
Thank you.
We'll see you in the next video.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Love you all.
Love you all.